Welcome to Bob R Photos. In this film, we're going to see Magnolia Plantation Gardens in Charleston, South Carolina, shot on 8 movie film using Ektachrome. Please subscribe, like, and share, and if you stay to the end, you'll get to see a crane that fell over into a building. This is Magnolia Plantation. It was established in 1676 by the Drayton family and is still operated today by its descendants. It's a very beautiful place to visit. And here you see a beautiful long white bridge that crosses over the Cypress Lakes. And here we're passing some of the slave cabins that you could take tours of and get a good history lesson on this area. And behind us is where we were headed to the Audubon swamp, where you can see here the trees are full of great egrets, great blue herons, and anhingas that build a nest and having their babies in. Here on the Intercoastal Waterway, I shot a little bit of film of some boats that were flying by on this beautiful day. A lot of nice boats and yachts go up and down this waterway. Here a crane tearing down an old hotel flipped over, and the top part of the crane, the boom, hits the hotel next door, which is the Boardwalk Beach Resort. They say nobody was injured. Anybody that was inside was evacuated, and just an unfortunate accident and a bad day for the crane operator. I hope you enjoyed this film. I have a lot of fun shooting the old movie cameras and using 8. So please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that share button. Share with your family and friends. Follow me on Instagram at Bob R Photos. Thanks for watching.